How to add items to cart on Shein. Let's get started. Launch your Shein app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You're gonna land to the shop page. Now over here you're gonna find different items. Hit towards the item that you want to purchase. In the case you cannot find over here, at the top you can see that search box. Over there you can just type in the name of the item that you want to purchase. After item appears, click on it. You'll find the details about the item. Likewise, you are able to select the quantity from here. After you select it, click on the option of add to cart. And I have just added that item to the cart. Likewise, by applying the same process, you can easily add items to the Shein cart. Just open the item, select the details of the item, and then click on add to cart option. At the top right corner, you can find this cart icon. Click on it. Now over here, you will be able to find all the items that you have added to cart. So this was all for this video. This is how you can easily add items to cart on Shein. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.